Welcome back to another episode of the English Podcast. I am so thrilled you're here because today we're stepping out of the classroom and into the heart of the home.
That's right, we're leaving the grammar charts behind and heading straight to the stovetop because, let's be honest, nobody actually talks like a textbook when they're trying to boil water, right?
Exactly. If you want to sound natural in 2026, you need to know the words for the messy, real life moments. But before we get cooking, do us a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We're on a mission to help 1 million learners find their true voice this year, and we want you to be part of the family.
Seriously, your support keeps these episodes coming. Today, we've got a pasta disaster roleplay for you. Jackson playing the role of the confused husband, and Anna is trying to keep the kitchen from exploding.
It's fast, it's funny, and it's packed with 7 kitchen king verbs that will make you sound like a pro. Are you ready? Let's jump into the chaos.
Okay, the water is bubbling. Should I dump the pasta in now?
Wait, don't dump it yet. You have to season the water first. Add a pinch of salt.
The what? The spaghetti strainer bowl thing?
Yes, the colander. Use the pot holders so you don't scald your hands. The steam is really hot.
The what?
While that cooks, can you grate the cheese?
The grater is sharp. Nick my finger.
Got it. Whoops. I splashed a bit of water on my shirt. I'm a mess.
It's okay. Just toss the pasta with the sauce and let's eat. I'm starving.
Okay, let's break down that chaos. We used 7 kitchen king words that will make you sound like a native speaker. The first one was season. Jackson, he didn't just put salt in, right?
Exactly. You season the water. It means to add salt, pepper, or spices to bring out the flavor. If you just say put salt, it sounds a bit basic. Season sounds like a chef.
Number 2 and 3, dump versus slide. Jackson wanted to dump the pasta, which is fast and messy, but Anna told him to slide it in gently. One is aggressive, the other is careful.
And then Jackson almost lost a finger. Word number 4 is grate. You don't cut cheese into tiny bits, you grate it using a grater. And because he was going too fast, Jackson nicked his finger.
That's word number 5. A nick is a tiny, shallow cut.
Anna was such a brave patient. Number 6 is the big one, drain. You don't throw the water away, you drain the pasta using a colander. Remember, it's not a spaghetti bowl thing, it's a colander.
I'll never forget that word now. And the final one, number 7, toss. We don't just mix the sauce and pasta, we toss them together to coat every piece perfectly.
There you have it. Season, dump, slide, grate, nick, drain, and toss.
Use these next time you're cooking and you'll be the king or queen of the kitchen.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to check the description for the full list of definitions. See you in the next episode.